Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious vegetable lo mein noodles. So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, let's get started. So the first thing I have to do is to mix up the soy sauce that I'll be using today. You can use whatever soy sauce of your choice. So I'm using a mushroom flavored dark soy sauce, and I'm also adding a little bit of this curcumin soy sauce. I don't know if I said the name correctly, so but you guys already saw the bottle. So next I'll be adding the panda brilled oyster sauce. So I'll go ahead and add everything. I'm adding is just 1 tablespoon. Then the last but not the least, I'll go ahead and add black sesame oil, 1 tablespoon as well. And that's all the soy sauce I'll be using for this fries. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a cup of chicken broth. You can use any kind of broth of your choice. If you don't have any broth available, you can use just regular water. So in a hot boiling water, I'll go ahead and add half a tablespoon of salt and stir that up together. And then I will be adding my Mickey dried noodles. So if you have the fresh, the one that is not dry, you can use that as well. But I have this dry one. It has been in my home now for like a very long time, so I decided to use it up today. So I put that in the water and let it cook for about 5 good minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see, it has started loosening up a little bit. So I'm using my fork spoon to make sure that I separate them to stay in individual parts. So after that, I'll go ahead and drain that out and place them in the icy water just to stop the cooking process because I don't want it to continue cooking. So I just use the fork again to make sure that I get everything put off, and I will drain the water out. Once I'm done draining out the water, I'll go ahead and sprinkle in some vegetable oil and then mix that up. I will just use my hand to make sure that every part of the noodles get the oil, and this prevents it from sticking together. So I'll set that aside. Here I have my chicken, so I'm adding 1 egg white. I'll mix that up properly. You can use chicken breast, but I'm using a split chicken thighs, so I just remove all the bones and every part. So in a wok, I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I'll go ahead and pour in the chicken, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic and half a teaspoon of ginger. I will stir up everything together. So guys, this wok that I'm using is not the best of them all. In fact, it's the worst of them all. It sticks like crazy. So I added just half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir up everything, and I will keep cooking these guys up until about 5 minutes, or until the chicken is properly cooked. So at this point the chicken is cooked. I'll go ahead and add in some shrimp. So this shrimp has already been pre-cooked before, so it's not going to be taking that long. So I let it cook for another 2 minutes. Then I'm adding my vegetables. I'm using sliced up carrots and mixed bell peppers and yellow onions, and then adding some spring onions, which is also known as green onions. So I will stir all the vegetables up for about 2 minutes until they become a little bit tender. So I'm just giving it a taste, and at this point it's as tender as I want it to be. not too crunchy, not too saggy. So I'm adding my noodles right now, and I will stir up everything. Once everything is well combined, not completely combined though, but halfway combined, I'll go ahead and add in the soy sauce that I already mixed up. I'll pour that in. Then I will proceed to mixing up everything until they are well incorporated together. So you can use whatever you feel comfortable with combining this together. You can use your spatula, you can use your fork, spoon, whatever you can to make it go easy for you. So at this point, this is ready to go. So the noodles are not too saggy at all. They are not even saggy at all. They are so perfect cooked. Yes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just giving it a taste before I go. And it tastes sorry, it tastes so amazing. So guys, thank you all for spending your time with me in my kitchen today. It's looking so nice, so delicious. Do not forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. See you next time.